You know, hey, that'll give me an opportunity while we're doing it. Thank you, Katie. Love having you guys here. Folks, if you look in your program, we were supposed to have a trick rider by the name of Liberty Cunningham. Unfortunately, thanks again, Katie. Unfortunately, she had a bit of an accident at home and broke her foot. She is not going to be able to be here, but as is our community in the equine business and as Christians, we always have somebody to step up and help. This young lady, how about we have somebody step up that is a world champion trick rider. Her name is Ginger Duke. She's a trainer, a performer with a gift of bringing out the best in both horses and riders, a consistent competitor in Mustang makeover and challenges. Ginger has earned multiple top 10 finishes and continues to wow audiences with her dynamic acts. Passionate about mentorship, she dedicates her time to helping young trainers grow in confidence and skill while inspiring equine enthusiasts nationwide through dynamite entertainment. Please make welcome Ginger Duke. Now here's the deal with trick riding. The louder you get, the faster the horse runs, and the faster the horse runs, the better the tricks are. Coming from the beautiful Ginger Duke. This is going to be her staging area right here. This is where she catches her breath, tells her horse how much she loves it, and turns around and lets it fly. Let's go with a fender off the side. Come on, Ginger Duke. All going to come back here to the staging area one more time as she sets down, takes that deep breath, and now we're going to keep an eye on her. This trick is really unique, world champion style. How about it as we go to the crane stand? The beautiful Ginger Duke, here we go. Come on, let her hear you. Yeah, look, Mom, no hands. All right, we're not done yet. She has a lot of energy and a lot of tricks to do. How about, let's do a little one called the full fender drag. Now watch as she picks up a little Horseman's Mission dirt as she goes around the end. Dangerously close to those horses' feet. Come on, let her hear you. Oh, I like it, I like it, I like it. We have a couple more to go, and again, the louder you get, the faster the horse is going to run. Let's go. This one is called the shoulder stand. Upside down and all around. This is how you do it at the Holmes County Fair even. Let's ride. Oh, I tell you what now, you do not eat too many donuts and ride like that, Matt. I'm saying it. We're going to go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do another one. She's going to stand up on the horse at a full gallop. Get loud and proud as she does the hippodrome. And Millersburg, one final time. Let's send her around and give her a little bit of love. World champion trick rider, Ginger Duke.